morning guys, it is day 2 here in Porto. As you would have seen yesterday, our hotel room here, wide angle, there we go. And yeah, yesterday was a bit of a disappointment because we were so shattered from the night before. We saw the stadium stuff and then we just went back to the hotel and went to bed essentially, and got kebabs in the evening and stuff. But today we have a whole day to try and make a travel film of Porto. I want to get the entirety of all Porto's sites shot in the next 5 hours. So potentially we can go to Guimarães or do something else tomorrow. If not, if we can't do that and we don't get everything done today, then we'll just do more of Porto tomorrow. But yeah, going to be a hectic day, doing a lot of shooting and enjoying ourselves in Porto. This area looks like really tropical. Behind me now is Igreja do Carmo. It's, well, that just means Carmo Church in Portuguese. It's got a very famous mural wall on the side here, as well as the church itself being famous. You've got up the top up there, which we're not going to do simply because I don't want to pay to go in there. Yeah, getting some nice photos and videos of the area here, of the fountain behind me and the palm trees, and doing kind of a whistle-stop walking tour of Porto. Nothing guided, just wandering around, going from site to site. We're onto a bookshop next, which is just around the corner, which we'll also get photos and videos of. So we've just done Igreja do Carmo up there, and what we're going to be walking up to now is the Clérigos Tower. I thought I'd film quickly here before I do the cinematic shots in the other lens. Yeah, we're going to go and see the Clérigos Tower now. I don't know if we're going to go up it, probably not, we'll see. And yeah, get some cinematic shots of that. Cathedral up there behind me with that statue. But if we come across this wall here, I don't know if you've seen a cinematic clip yet, look at the view behind me, all the old buildings and stuff over there. You got the tower there, another tower there, beautiful view, and I'm sure this isn't even the best place to view stuff from. This is probably like the worst place out of all the viewpoints. So yeah, we're going to get some incredible photos around the city today and tomorrow. Got the Porto Cathedral here behind me, and I turn around and boom, all of Porto here. Well, not all of it, but like a decent chunk of Porto. What a view. Yeah. Look, there we go. River, right there. Down at the bottom down there. That's where we will head to in a little bit. hours had passed since I last recorded a clip in this vlog. We basically went back to the hotel and did what we did yesterday, where we go to sleep, but only Josh has to do this side of the hall. We've got a tram and metro behind us up there right now. Yeah, Josh went to sleep. I edited a lot of photos for the hotel, and eventually it got to like 8 o'clock and we decided to go out and look for food. We spent a good hour looking for food and decided we'd just go to McDonald's after all. Now I've wandered up to the spot from earlier where we're shooting some nighttime pics. That's all the metro films earlier. So at night they make the train pass as long as the day. Interesting. Okay, well, this is the... I think of the name of a bridge, something Luis Bridge in Porto, very, very famous. Made by Mr. Eiffel, the architect of the Eiffel Tower. But yeah, time for some nighttime shots, and then that'll be the end of today and off to bed. So now I'm gonna do the outro to the vlog then. In that case, so thank you very much for watching this vlog. Tomorrow's vlog for Portugal should be out next Friday. If you leave a like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, you'll be notified when that one comes out. See you in tomorrow's vlog. Goodbye.
¿Crees que es mentira todo lo que siento? Siempre soy el malo del cuento, pero es que quiero darte, no paro de pensarte. Pregunta a tus amigas que he tratado de olvidarte, pero es imposible todo lo que vivimos. Baby, toda esa farra, todo ese humo, todo ese vino. Dañamos todo, dañamos el cuarto. Un polvito eso no lo comparto. Y si tú quieres te parto. Bebé, es que noche de infarto. Espero que no sea alcohol, que si se enamora nos dejamos todo, el amor perfora. Baby, la volví señora. Abre la caja Pandora.